How to edit or delete a post in WordPress. Log into your WordPress account and you will see this page. On the left side above Media, hover on Posts. Click on All Posts. Under Title, find the post which you need to edit. Click on the Edit option to edit the post. Here we change the title. For example, Engage Branding to Engage Branding Post. On the top right, near Settings, click on the Update button. To view the post, click on the View Post link. That's it, you have successfully edited a post in WordPress. To delete a post. Under Title, find the post which you need to delete. Click on the Trash option. That's it, you have successfully deleted a post in WordPress. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.